Okay, let's get started with using the project planner. I'm going to demonstrate by using study client requirements. So the first thing I'll do is say that it's developing, matches up, and I'm going to say this one, it's been assigned to me, and it's going to start on Monday and be done by the 31st. So I don't have anything to fill in here yet. I do have my own shared folder. Here's my work that I will be sharing with anybody who needs to see it. So I'd better change that so that it's not restricted, but anyone with the link can view. And it could be that some of these things need to be commented. So I'm going to say anyone with the link can be a commenter. And I'm going to copy that link. And this will it'll be the same resource shared folder for me all the way through. And it's called my sample work. And then I'll go up, I'll highlight it, go up and click the link bar and copy that link that I just made. Okay, and then if I have a progress that's in file, which I do, here's my actual file for this deliverable. So let me make sure everything is set correctly, and I'm going to put it right here. And that one is called Academy of Science Research. And I'll put that link on there too. So you can see that this becomes the all-important gathering point for everything. Everything goes into this one. Okay, now mine is still in progress. If I open it up, you'll see there's not much on it yet. But I'm going to act as if it is done so that you can see how the rest of this goes. So I'm going to say it's done now. So yes, it's on time. I'll have to go certify it in Canvas once Canvas opens up. And I'm going to put down how many hours it actually took me. 2.0. Okay, and then if there's a specific comment, I'll put it in over here, okay, if I have anything I need to say. Okay, then we'll come back over to the Gantt chart and just make sure my Gantt chart had an extra piece on it. Let me get rid of that. Okay, so if this is on time, it got done inside this block, so that's good. If it got done late, I would keep adding these days on in red. Okay, so you make a red box around it like that, and maybe give it a nice, good, solid box. So every day that you're late, you're going to go in and put a box on it. Okay, now for right now, I'm not late, so I'm going to undo that. This is my quick view of what's going on, and this is my detail of where everything is. This one, I'm going to put everything in here into my sample work, but I'm going to change that just a little bit now. Even in my sample work, I'm going to make one that says review the project. This is going to go in there. So now when I share this one, the link is a commenter. That's actually where this is going to go. So let me go ahead and delete that and change that to review the project. And everything that I do that's part of this major step is going to be in there, so I can copy that all the way down. But these will be different files I can get to. This is why you can just go certify it. I'll be able to come to you because you're going to submit this project planner too. I'll be able to go to your project planner and get it. So that's the last thing, is once Canvas is open, you can go certify that in Canvas. So that's how these are going to work and how you'll use the project planner as you go along.